Welcome back to All Occasion Gifts. I just wanted to come on and show you a little bit of what I've been working on. I've been working on these robe and massager gift sets. Several of them, I had to take the boxes apart and put them back together again because some of the boxes were a little bit crushed and destroyed. You may have seen some of these sets at your local Burlington or Ross or City Trends, but I just want to show you what I've been working on. Now, this particular set, I added the Home Medics Relief for Everybody. It is a portable back massage cushion. It has heat, and you can use it at home or you can use it in your car. It has some shampoo, it has some face wash, and it has some body wash. And then it also comes with a bath scrubber that's actually in the top. So I had to take this box and cut it up. And then I added that to the top and then put the pieces together on the bottom on top of the robe. So that's the first one. And then I took the ribbon that was wrapped around the box and just wrapped it around the outside of this one. And then next, I have the, let's see, let me get rid of this glare. I have another robe set. It comes with the CVS robe. It has a set of slippers, some foot scrub. This is the Body Glove Men's Deluxe Foot Care Collection. I added a pair of socks on the side. And once again, I had to take the box apart because it was pretty well destroyed. And then I added the pedicure half of the box to the top. And then I took and I added the Blue Wonder cigar spray on the side. It has the multi roller foot massager. And then the shaver for the pedicure, exfoliate, and smooth brushes inside. I have this Beverly Hills Polo gift set. It comes with this robe. I have some Polo body spray. It comes with a tumbler. It has the slippers and it has some foot lotion. I added a pair of socks. And then next I have another robe set. And this one has the slippers and it has the foot scrub. It's called the Coastal Driftwood foot scrub. And it has the sea and surf foot scrub. Added some cologne. And this is what it looks like. Kind of took the easy route with these gifts. Just adding the pieces that were already done. And then next I have this men's essential body care collection. It's the deluxe body care collection for men. It has a 4-wheel body massager, some body soap, some body rub, a wooden body massager, and a multi-roller foot massager. And it also comes with a deep tissue pulsating massager. And I added the Dove Care set over here. It is the deodorant, the body wash, and the Dove Circle lotion. And I also added a washcloth in there. So once again, I just wanted to show you a little bit of what I've been working on. I have a few more. Just going to add some Bath and Body Works to this set. And then that's going to be it. And then I have one more. And same with this. I'm just going to add some Bath and Body Works with this one. And add a bow. And then that's going to be it for that one. And once again, these are little sets that come from like Burlington after Christmas. Next up in the Father's Day gift basket series, which will be episode 7, I'll be working on some Father's Day tool bags. So come back and join me as I create these Father's Day tool bags. Thank you to my subscribers. Thank you to my new subscribers. I'm almost at 2,000 subscribers, and I want to just thank everybody for subscribing. Thanks for watching. And as I create on this journey, I should be making 10 videos that are related to Father's Day. And then after that, I'll just be making gift baskets throughout the summer. Might do a couple hauls and take a little vacation at the same time. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos.